you've ever dreamed of starting your own business but thought you needed a mountain of cash, you're in the right place.
Nice.
Today we're diving deep into how to launch a successful venture in 2025, even with completely empty wallet. Yes, you heard me right. $0. Let's get started. First, let's acknowledge the reality of 2025. The digital landscape has evolved. We're in the age of the gig economy, AI automation, and hyperconnectivity. This means opportunities are everywhere, but they require creativity and resourcefulness. Traditional startup costs are becoming less relevant. We need to focus on what we do have: skills, time, and internet. Understand that you are not starting a business that requires inventory or a storefront. The first step is identifying your skills. What are you good at? What do people ask you for help with? Make a list. Think about skills that are in demand: social media management, content creation, virtual assistants, online tutoring, graphic design. These are just a few examples. Look at freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to see what services are being sought after. Also, think about AI tools that can help you enhance your skills. For example, AI writing tools can help you generate content faster. AI graphic tools can help you create visuals. Now let's talk about tools. We don't need expensive software. Canva offers free graphic design tools. Google Workspace provides free productivity apps. Social media platforms are your free marketing channel. Learn how to create engaging content, build a following, and leverage these platforms to create your services. Create a free website on Google Sites or Card.co. Use free social media scheduling tools. Utilize your personal social media profiles to start advertising your services. Create a portfolio of your work, even if it's just samples or mock projects. Networking is crucial. Join online communities, connect with people on LinkedIn, and reach out to potential clients. Do not be afraid to offer your services for free or at a discounted rate to build your portfolio and gain testimonials. Ask for referrals. Build relationships. Offer value before asking for anything in return. Use social media to display your expertise and build your personal brand. Remember that word of mouth is one of the most powerful forms of advertising. Once you've gained some clients and built a solid foundation, it's time to scale. Look for ways to automate your processes, streamline your workflow, and increase your efficiency. Consider creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates to generate passive income. Reinvest your earnings back into your business. As you start to make money, you can start to invest in paid advertising, better equipment, or even hiring help. I'm gonna end this video by saying that starting a business without money in 2025 is absolutely possible. It requires creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to hustle. Focus on your skills, leverage free resources, build your network, and provide value to your clients. Don't let a lack of funds hold you back from pursuing your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your business ideas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.